Saying goodbye to traditional loyalty cards. QEX Loyalty, the essential tool for retaining customers. What are the benefits of a QEX loyalty card? Setting up your QEX Loyalty digital membership card in a few simple steps. Step 1. Check your email for QEX Loyalty. Step 2. Change your password. Step 3 is set up your clubs. What are clubs? Clubs are used to set the class of your partner members. How to set up clubs? Step 4. Create your loyalty cards. After creating the loyalty card, merchants can send the QR code link to their member customers. Click QR code, long press the link, and choose Share Link. Member customers who receive the merchant's loyalty card login link can click the QR code to log into their existing account. Member customers can view the rewards offered by the merchant. Simply show your QR code to the cashier for scanning during payment. Step 5. Create your rewards. After creating the rewards, don't forget to go back to the loyalty card and add the rewards. Step 6. Create your staff members. What are staff members? Staff members are responsible for scanning QR codes during checkout. How to create staff members? Step 7. View your members. What are members? Members are users who have registered for QEX loyalty, and you can see how many users have registered for the digital membership card here. Step 8. Check your analytics. What is analytics? Analytics allows you to view data inside your loyalty cards, so you can clearly understand the data in your QEX loyalty digital membership account, eliminating worries about not knowing your loyal customers or being unable to buy them a digital membership card like this. Aren't you excited to get one? Click the link below to contact us and get your QEX loyalty card now.